How to change language on REDnote. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you on how to change language on REDnote. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch REDnote application on your device and make sure that you logged into your account. You need to first check the language home features may already appear in language. If not, follow the simple steps. Simply tap on the profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen. Now look for the setting gear next to the edit profile, not edit profile or simply profile option and tap it. Once you land on the settings section, go to general settings. From this display section, simply you need to choose languages and then choose the English option, usually the third one or the first one. And then you simply need to confirm and enjoy. The app language will now switch to English. If the language is already set to English, no action is needed. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.